What is up, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. We got a little product review today / install on the new K&N washable cabin air filter. My air's kind of been stinking a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in the car and change this out, as well as put them side by side so you can see a comparison. This cabin air filter, I decided to go with the K&N. As you see, it says washable. You can buy their product and or I'm sure you can just wash it with fucking water or whatever, but you can buy their stuff and spray it out and continue using it. They're claiming this little 10-year limited warranty, 100,000 miles, so not sure that really matters, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like, and then we'll give a side-by-side comparison after we get the other one out. Alright, so what's in the box? We got the instructions here. You got this little stop, do not discard washable air filter, whatever sticker, and the actual filter. Again, this is the washable one, K&N made. It looks really high quality, just like their filters that they make, which have a good rep. Same type of deal, and it just being washable is just a little bonus. It seems like it's made out of a really good material. So let's pull the regular one out though, so we can do a side-by-side comparison, and then we'll do the install.
Don't let them steal your life.
First, open it. You'll have your little a little shock type of deal here, so it drops nice and slow. I did already take mine out, but it just pops off the edges. Pretty self-explanatory. Then you have a little nipple on both sides here, which you're gonna pop off one on one side, one on the other, and this whole thing will drop down. Be careful not to let all your stuff fall out. And then once you get down, it will drop out. Now looking up into here, you're gonna have this little box right up on top. All you're gonna do is take off the little notch over here and to the opposite side, opening this up so we can pop this filter out. Alright, just to give a quick example of how to get this off the easiest, in my opinion, is I just got a little pick style deal right here, a little flathead, and you're actually gonna stick it right in this little gap right here. And it just pops, boop, 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 be-doo. Now exposing it. And again, this is the stock one, so that's why it says Mitsubishi. I didn't change this out ever. And this car has been up in the country of Mississippi a couple times off the dirt roads and all types of crap like that, so let's see what this thing looks like outside. Alright, and this is it in the light. As you can see, this thing is Filth McGee. Has had, like I said, it's had 50,000 miles of never being changed out. I mean, look at this thing, man. This thing's a piece of shit. I mean, it's just this paper little filter. It doesn't really filter, I feel like, that great. It's not really breathable. And then you have your K&N. I mean, your K&N, it's going to be high structure. I mean, the outside of it just feels way better. I mean, it's not going to bend the way the other one does or whatever. And it's got like a metal mesh, just like their filters do. You know, their filters are notorious for being awesome. So I wouldn't expect anything less with their washable, reusable cabin air filter. So just looking at it, definitely great. Honestly, I mean, the most thing I'm impressed about is it's not even the filter, to be honest. It's this right here. Blue air, dude. So come to find out, when you change this filter out, it produces blue air. They say it smells better, but amazing. And not only that, man, but made in the USA. So let's go ahead and jump in the car now and just pop it back in, put the clip back over, and that'll be that. Alright, guys. Now, just like you had, it actually has this little notch here on the end where you feel like it's like to hold, to put your finger in. Fuck, I don't know. And you're going to take it and you're just going to slide this one right back in like the other one came out. Take your little clip, pop over the one side. See here, line it up rather. And then boom, and clip. And we're back in it. And that's as simple as that. Alright, and when you go to put this thing back on, you're going to want to have it pretty much facing downward so it can go over there, over the clips nice and easy. They pop in, come up. Those little notches, boom, you just force them right through. Then you'll typically take, which most people have, is that little shock from here to here. Just like you took it off. It just pops right back on. Simple as that. And you're back in the money. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, and there it is. The Evo 10 K&N cabin air filter / review. After we reviewed it, as you can see, I mean, it's so much nicer than the stock regular paper one. Also washable, metal mesh made. It's definitely an upgrade, I think, from the last one. We'll see how it works, and if whatever that means. And also do another review down the road, maybe another 30,000 miles, to see if it's caught any dirt, if we can wash it, the whole thing. So stay tuned for that. More videos. Any questions, comments, concerns, please comment down below. Click like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future projects.
It's a revolution.